Okay, children, after learning that what is an angle, I'm going to tell you the parts of an angle and how the angle is labeled. You have just learned that that angle is formed when two arms moves and the distance between these two arms is known as an angle. Now, how you are going to label it, because the labeling is very important part in geometry. As you can see, as I have made it an angle on the board. Now look. You are going to name these two arms with the capital alphabet. For example, I am going to choose a name. This arm is A and this arm is B. Capital alphabet must be used for representing these arms. And then you have to name this vertex also. For example, I am naming it as O. For example. Now, the distance between these two arms is known as angle, and angle is represented with the turning of an ray like this. You have to show it like this. And then, for example, how you are going to measure it. So the most important thing over here is that we are going to measure the angle in degrees. This small knot, for example, I am saying that this angle is of 45 degree. So this small knot on top of your number is known as degree, and your angles are measured in degrees. I'm going to tell you that how you are going to measure this degrees and what instrument you are going to use it. But right now you have to learn that how you have to label your angle. Whatever your measurement of the angle is, you have to write down it over here very neatly like this. Now, the next part is that how you are going to write it under your diagram. For that, you have to know that the symbol of the angle is this one. First, you have to write down the symbol of an angle, and then whatever name you have given to your vertex, that will be written in between, because you are sharing this. I have written my vertex name in between, and then the first arm A is going to come, and then the name of the next ray is going to come, is equals to sign, and because angle AOB is of 45 degrees, so I have written it 45 degree over here like this. This is the proper labeling of an angle. Capital alphabets, degree sign, how much degree your angle is, the vertex name, and then this labeling. Now if I ask you that what is the vertex over here, so quickly you will tell me that that the vertex is O. Sorry, the vertex is O. But if I ask you that what are the names of these arms, so how you are going to write down the names of an arms? So you are going to write down that arms are, the first arm is OB, which is your baseline, OB. I have written it OB. And the second arm is, because there are two arms over here, OB, and the other one is OA. Why O is present in both of the arms names? Because this is the common endpoint. You are sharing this vertex with both of the arms. That's why it will be written like this. But one thing is still missing. What is going to come on top of these two arms? What actually they were before joining on a common endpoint? Yes, they were rays. So the symbol of the ray is going to come on top of these alphabets like this. Now this is done. This is the proper labeling of an angle, which is very, very important when the point comes to draw an angle.